Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I have featured the Concept 2 Air, and I have a beautiful fire going. And it's July, but it's like cold and rainy and 60 degrees. So I'm not out like boating and doing all the things that people should be doing on the 4th of July weekend. And instead, I'm baking you guys some cookies. So I'm going to bake up some cookies here on the Concept 2 Air, and I've so far really liked this oven. I did a nice slow roasted roast beef and carrot and potato for dinner last night in here, and it was like literally the best roast I've ever had. Today's gonna be a baking video. Today I am baking up some white chocolate mac nut. You guys can see this tasty, tasty dough. It is made with honey instead of sugar, and it is made with einkorn flour, which if you're not aware of einkorn flour, it is one of the like original ancient grains, and it's one of the few grains that are still available that hadn't been modified. Um, so I am starting to include kind of more information on food in these videos. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in hearing that. And if you're interested in learning more about that kind of topic, if I was to do another channel kind of geared more towards natural things for our health. So drop it in the comments if you're interested, and drop it if you like hearing about like what I'm cooking and the actual ingredients going into it. Couple of things I love about cooking on a wood fire is the food is like so much better. Those of you who have been camping and actually cook on wood fires instead of propane grills, maybe you know what I'm talking about. If you've ever roasted your wiener sausage on the fire instead of on the propane grill, and some top-notch stuff. Speaking of, right now I've got like this little cabin that I'm staying at in Montana while I'm back filming in the showroom, and we don't really have a kitchen situation. So lucky for you guys, all of my cooking I'm doing on the cookers right now and kind of taking it back with me as I go. And I have noticed that the food is just like, I swear, it's like even more nourishing. Like, these are things that I feel like have been lost kind of through time. And especially one of those things is cooking on wood fire. Yeah, those are some things I love about cooking on wood. Now let's get to the cookies. I am going to be doing this on a soapstone pizza pan, and I have it sitting here on the cooktop to preheat rather than placing it inside the oven. And I'm doing it honestly just because it's easier, and then I can scoop my cookies right onto it when it's up to temp. And my cookie dish, the bottom here, is sitting at 236 degrees on my soapstone. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop my cookies onto this, and then I'm going to slide them in the oven. Let's do it. I got them right here. Yeah. This is kind of like a large cookie. What do you like? Smaller cookies, larger cookies? Preference? When I make them for kids or like school, the school birthdays, we'll do like cake cookies. So they're kind of nice and big and thick. You're serving a lot of people or children yearly. Don't want to dose them with like too big of a cookie. I do like cooking with honey and the flavor of honey in food. But like the bummer about that is when you cook your honey, you kill all those amazing nutrients that honey has. So honey is like a super food, and you could actually literally survive off of honey, salt, and water. And to me, like that's pretty powerful. There's a lot of really good stuff in honey, and honey is more expensive than sugar, right? And so when we're paying more for those kind of top-notch ingredients, it's nice to be able to get the benefits of the food as well. Oftentimes when I'm baking rather than honey, I'll use agave because it's cheaper and you're not like having that same loss of nutrients. I'll do honey like as a drizzle, in my yogurts, like overnight oats, those kind of things where you're keeping it raw is definitely my preference. Always look really good. It's really, really, really good. Thank you. Wait. cookie dough. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 cookies. I don't know. I only fed 9 on here, but it's gonna have to do. I don't even think I have Pop Pads. I think I was gonna say someone probably took it, but I bet you it was me. I bet you I did it. So I have a towel, and I'm gonna roll with that to slide it on in. My oven's up to temp, so I'm gonna put my cookies in. Do this carefully, not to burn myself. I have my crocker tools. I have much to do with. Okay, 10 minutes on the cookies. I've never done the cookies on the soapstone. Have you guys before? I liked kind of seeing the bottom of the cookies starting to cook on the bottom. And I can tell actually, wow, they're baking like really fast. That's so cool. I love cooking on fire, baking on fire. It's so cool. Honestly, I just feel like how we're meant to live. So anyways, I got the cookies in. I will update you guys when they're finished and show you guys this beautiful product. Okay, so my cookies are like done, and you're supposed to put these cookies on a wire rack. So I put a tray underneath to catch the crumbs and a rack, and I'm gonna pull them out here. Oh my god, they really droop like together. Wow, so my 9 cookies. Give me a minute. Close back up my oven here. All right, might have baked them a few minutes too long because when it was time, I had to get my stuff. Missing my spatula. So anyway, they look pretty good. You can tell that they grew together here. Nice and fluffy. Overall, the side towards the firebox was a little bit hotter. So ideally, I would flip them probably halfway around next time. Or you make a variety. If some people like a little more done and other people like them a little more raw, then you can cook them like that. For me, I like soft cookies, not so much crunchy cookies. What do you guys like? Nah, go ahead and take them off right now. Yeah, these are decent. Good sized cookies. That was a little soft. Kind of broke that one. I think I might need to be just a little bit more gentle, especially with the ones that grow together, like the cake cookies. Do you guys like cake cookies? Definitely don't do box cakes and stuff anymore, but when I was a kid, I did eat some box cakes here or there, and I would like to make cake cookies, and instead of like turning the box into cake, I would make a cookie batch, and they would be like cake cookies, like soft and fluffy, and yeah. I like soft cookies. When I was a kid, my now mother-in-law, he did best chocolate chip cookies that I had ever had in my life. And then it's like so strange. Now I'm an adult and we go there and the cookies are different. They're hard. Like they always used to be soft. And then I said something and then she was like, well, I make them hard on purpose. And that's apparently how my father-in-law likes them. But it was like never like that. When I was a kid, the cookies were always soft. Anyway, it keeps me. I'm eating with the piece now. Is there cuddly good? The sugar, honestly, kind of gives me a crash. I did a festival and I was so lucky to have a dear friend and her children. They're all friends. Multiple friends come and help me do this festival, this homesteader festival, and which was so cool. And they were even so kind to mix up cookies that we could bake in the cook stove at the festival. And I didn't even eat one all weekend. So it's pretty good. Yeah, these turned out well. They did. I'm going to take this wrap, the whole thing off there. It's a bit eerie. Keep getting hot. It's with it spot up here. Haha. All right, here we have our cookies. I'm gonna set the cookies over there because they're extremely hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking and baking video today on the Concept 2. This model can burn wood and coal. I am cooking on wood today as we are in Montana. So we got a variety of other videos on this model as well as other cookers. Please be sure to give our videos that thumbs up. If you know somebody who would like this content, who would benefit from it, especially if you are involved with social media groups like homesteaders and things like that, please share this content with somebody who would enjoy it and find the information helpful. As always, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for being here. God bless and